Mga kababayan, ang Iran new Supreme Leader na si Mojtaba Khamenei, ito yung natatandaan nyo, itong matatandaan natin na ito yung anak ng dating Supreme Leader na si Ayatollah Khamenei. Ito si Mojtaba Khamenei, siya ang pumalit na Supreme Leader ng Iran. Ito ngayon nangyari, kapapasok lang na balita ngayon lang to, na inatake ng Israel at Amerika. Pinagbubomba ang kanilang posisyon. Ngayon, nasa malubhang kalagayan ngayon ang Supreme Leader ng Iran. Ito ay bagong-bago, fresh na fresh, fresh na fresh. Yun, binanatan kagad ng Amerika at Israel.
Aray ko.
Ito ang babasahin natin to, mga kababayan. Ito. Iran State TV says newly appointed Supreme Leader of Iran and slain Ayatollah Khamenei's son has been targeted in fresh strikes. As per State TV, Mojtaba Khamenei is severely injured after the alleged attack. China has come to Iran's defense. Yun, tingnan nyo. Ang balita ngayon, ngayon lang to, itong araw na to, na inatake ang Supreme Leader. Ngayon, nasa malubhang kalagayan ngayon. So, kung bago pa lang sa aking channel, please, like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel, bago tayo mag-umpisa. Okay, no? Okay, no? So, umpisa na natin.
We have a big breaking news coming in. Iran's newly appointed Supreme Leader Mojtaba Khamenei has reportedly been attacked in fresh strikes, according to Iranian state television. Yes, the man who just stepped into the shoes of his father, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, has been reportedly attacked. And the claim is coming from Tehran that Mojtaba Khamenei has been severely injured in the strike. According to Iranian state TV, Mojtaba Khamenei, the son of slain Supreme Leader Ayatollah Ali Khamenei, was targeted during the ongoing war that has engulfed Iran. The reports describe him as a Janbaz of Ramadan, a Persian term often used for someone who has been wounded in battle or injured while defending the nation. If confirmed, this would mean that Iran's brand new Supreme Leader has been attacked just hours after assuming power. A stunning development. Remember, Mojtaba Khamenei has been elevated to the position of Supreme Leader after the death of his father, Ayatollah Ali Khamenei. But now, before his leadership even began properly, the new head of Iran's system has reportedly come under attack. And this development, viewers, is no longer just Iran's internal issue anymore. One major global power has already stepped in, that is China. Beijing has issued a strong reaction after reports that Mojtaba Khamenei was targeted. China's foreign minister...
Teka lang, mga kababayan, Kita nyo naman, bagong-bagong Supreme Leader ng Iran, mismong anak ni Ayatollah Khamenei, talagang gustong pulbusin ng Amerika at Israel. Kasi talagang sa reported sa mga balita mga kababayan, na si Donald Trump ayaw niya talaga na pumalit na Supreme Leader ang anak ni Ayatollah. Kaya nga pinagpapatay na sila Tingnan nyo na tinarget ng Israel at Amerika yung posisyon ng bagong Supreme Leader ng Iran na si Mojtaba Khamenei. Matindi, no? Kaya nga matitigas talaga ang ulo. Matitigas ang ulo nitong mga Iranian na to. Ayaw makinig kay Donald Trump. Na ang gusto talaga ni Donald Trump talagang yung sumusunod, yung mismong pipili na leader ng Iran ay ang Amerika.
said and condemned that any attempt to target Iran's newly appointed supreme leader is wrong. Speaking at a press briefing, Guo Jiankun said China opposes interference in Iran's internal affairs under any pretext. He also stressed that Iran's sovereignty, security, and territorial integrity must be respected. And Beijing went a step further, emphasizing that the decision to appoint Mojtaba Khamenei as supreme leader was made according to Iran's constitution. What we do know as of now, that as per reports, as per Iran state television, Mojtaba Khamenei is injured. He's severely injured, and if the reports of Mojtaba Khamenei injuries are confirmed, it would mark one of the most unprecedented moments in Iran's history. His father was attacked and killed. The next obvious step for the United States and Israel is to target Mojtaba Khamenei. Has it already happened? Is it underway? We do not know as of yet who carried out this strike. Was it part of the ongoing regional war? And most importantly, what happens to Iran's leadership if its new supreme leader is seriously wounded or injured or cannot assume power? We will keep tracking every development of this situation. Stay with us for more on this.
Okay, no, mga kababayan, no, nakita naman natin na talagang ayaw ng Amerika at Israel ang bagong talagang supreme leader nila. Talagang bubombahin. Pangalawang Pangalawa na yan. Kung di nyo natatandaan, pagkamatay ni Ayatollah Khamenei, may sumunod. May sumunod na supreme leader. Yung pinili mismo ni Ayatollah Khamenei. Pero binomba pa rin. Ayun. Chinokchak na naman ng Amerika at Israel. Ngayon, so wala na. So ito na naman, pangalawang pumili na naman sila ng supreme leader nila. Ayan na mismo ang pinili nila, yung anak ni Ayatollah Khamenei. Pero ngayon anong nangyari? Ayaw din talaga ng Israel at ng Amerika yung pinili nilang supreme leader. Ang gusto kasi ng Amerika, sila ang pipili. Ang Amerika mismo ang pipili kung sino magiging supreme leader nila. Kaso matigas ang ulo ng mga Iranian military. Ayun. Binakbakan na naman yung bagong supreme leader. Yung anak ni Ayatollah Khamenei. Ayun, malubha ngayon. Seriously injured. Ay, talaga, no? So, dapat talaga makinig sila sa superpower. Okay to, mga kababayan, no? So, hanggang dito na lang tayo sa muli, Ito yung mga mga ibabalita natin, kundi bibigyan natin reaction. Ito yung mainit na balita ngayon. Okay, no? Tungkol sa Iran war against America and Israel. Okay, no? So, hanggang dito na. Please, bago tayo magtapos, please, like and subscribe na lang muna sa ating YouTube channel. Okay, no? Bago tayo magtapos. Nang sa ganun, ikalat pa ni YouTube ang ating mga video sa mga netizens. Okay, no? Salamat.